Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable pen menu icon in Windows 11. If you want to do it, first you need to click right mouse button on the icon with the Windows, and after that you need to go to settings. Then home settings will be displayed here. So now we need to move our cursor to the left panel, and here we need to select personalization settings. Now we need to scroll down and open here taskbar behaviors and system pins settings. And now you need to click on System Tray Icons options. It will let you to choose which icons can appear in the system tray. On default, pen menu should be turned off, so if you want to show pen menu icon when pen is in use, you need to enable this option, and after that it should be visible when pen will be in use. Of course, if you want to turn it off, you need to click on this one icon one more time, and then it will be disabled. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.